Okay guys, let's make Ofe Owerri, low-key Ofe Owerri. This one is not the complete Ofe Owerri. You know, Ofe Owerri has a lot of things on it, you understand? So we are just going to make the normal Ofe Owerri here. So I've already cooked my meat, just added dry fish, stock fish. I'm going to cover this pot steam for a while. So we have ugu, pumpkin leaf. I have oziza, fresh oziza leaf. I also have okazi leaf. So I'll be using cocoyam for thickener. After now, we pouring the cocoyam on the pot. Then we go on by adding crayfish, ugu, oziza, and okazi. Okay, so we don't have snail. We only have meat for the Ofe Owerri, and also we don't have oba. All those are optional. You understand? So this one I'm just need to, because I like the taste. If you use ugu and if you use cocoyam, prepare your Ofe Owerri. It has that special taste. I've been cooking it before, so I said let me try and cook it today. Okay, so if you want the complete Ofe Owerri, the one that has everything inside, then you let me know so I can cook it in a bowl for you. So this one is for the one I serve in my restaurant. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm adding cocoyam. Guys, I just added okazi leaf. Adding oziza. Very yummy.